with name. I'm going to explain this one later. Okay. Good morning, students. Let's continue the same topic. Letters to the editors. Letter to the editor we will discuss. It can be of different type. Letters regarding complaint. Yesterday we talked about that in case there is no service, any service is not provided in particular area, and after you have made many complaints to the concerned authority. Concerned authority को आपने बहुत सी complaint कर ली, but still there was no effect. And then you can write a letter to the editor. You can write a letter to the editor and explaining, but you have to mention there many a time complaint has been lost but no action has been taken yet. You have to add that sentence. Okay, many a time complaint has been lost but no action has been taken yet. Therefore you are requested to give a shake to the authorities, give a say so that they can wake up from the slumber. They can wake up from the slumber like this. You can write, because if they are sleeping and not caring for any complaint and all, we have to give a shake to them so that they can wake up and they can sort out our problem. Okay, so like this, it means the letter to the editor you have to write after your complaint is not sorted out, complaint is not solved by the particular authority. Uski bhi authority, there are different authority, and as yesterday also I told about the this one deputy commissioner. His role is very vital in the district. He is the whole soul in the district. Survey survey, you can write any letter to him, usko koi bhi letter लिख सकते हो, and he can get any job done in the district. जो कोई भी करवा सकता है. Okay, he is overall in charge of everything, all your medical service, your all civic facilities, medical, civic, education, everything it comes under. Okay, all sort of facility you can write that one. But the letter to the editor, it will be actually all the ministers and all the dignitaries, they will read that one and they will try to sort out your. Okay, so next, this was complaint. So there can be complaint about this one, medical, lack of medical or opening of medical facility, CHC center, common health center, or it can be public health center. It can be public health center or medical facilities. You can write address anything. Okay, 679 Ramesh Nagar, any address. It is according to the question paper, whatever it is given in the question paper. Ramesh Nagar, Railway Road, Panipat, Karnal, whatever you want to do. You can write here Panipat. Again, the date, you have to write after that date. Date today is May 20th, 2021. May 20th, 2021. Then the editor, T capital, E capital. The editor means again name of the newspaper, the Times of India, the Hindu, the Tribune, whatever you want. And from where it is being published, name of place of publish. Okay, that review and okay. Then after that you write the subject. For example, medical facility or dispensary, medical facilities. For medical facilities, you can write that. It is according to the question paper. From the question paper, you have to write. For medical facilities, you can write for medical facilities. And then you start writing from here straight way. Actually, all these words must be in straight line. And whenever you are writing a letter, try to write a letter from the fresh page in the examination. In exam, if you are writing this letter, actually the way of writing, your way of presentation, and you try to write on the fresh page. Don't try to break them, because after that, if it is going on to the next page, that is hardly matter. But you have to start with, and if In case 3-4 lines are left in the pages and all, you can utilize for any other short questions and वो उसको use कर सकते हो. But maybe try to start with this fresh page. आप अपने fresh page पे start कर सकते हो. Okay. Then after that, this one. After writing this one, then you have to write the body of it. See again, sentence, date, address of the address, the writing letter, and second is subject, salutation, and let's go to the body of letter. So letter की body. Okay. We'll start from this side. Body of letter, you start from this side. Again, maintain that line. Okay. There is no spaces to be left. So this current bar. You have to start from straight with after S. Okay. I shall be highly obliged or I shall be very thankful. I shall be very thankful. I shall be highly obliged. I shall be very thankful. These are the context introductory one starting of the this one you can write. Because you should not look at one. That straight way we are moving on to the point. Here we should follow some certain norms. Okay. I shall be highly thankful if thankful to you if you provide me some space. Provide me some space in your esteemed newspaper to express. See, it is a complaint only. My concern, worry, to express my concern over known availability of medical facilities. Over known availability of medical service, medical facility, medical facilities, medical facilities in my area. In my area. Actually, this letter is to be like this. The letter is to be written by some organization. For example, welfare association or proper even Gram Panchayat and all the convention. So in a village it is not there. Gram Panchayat or the Panchayat secretary, on behalf of Panchayat secretary, or on behalf of Gram Panchayat secretary he can write the letter. Now in my area. Now you start writing. I'm the resident of particular area, whatever you are given in my area. I'm the secretary or I'm the president of welfare association. Welfare association, Ramesh Nagar. Here you can resident calculation. I calculate resident welfare association. I'm the president of resident welfare association of Ramesh Nagar. On behalf of the people of Ramesh Nagar, I want to express my concern now for the known availability. Okay. I want to make you a request on even you can see already this area now is the area. You have to write for example. You can write this one. Okay. Area population. And what is the problem? Problem that there is no availability of medical tests. Now, what is the result of this? The economic condition of the people. Then you can know. Now you can economic condition. Now what you have to learn? It is a newly developed area. It is a newly. That could be anything, any type of service. Whether it is a bus service. Yesterday we talked about the bus service. You can write same thing. It is a newly developed area, newly without any bus facility, now without any medical facility. Maybe poor, the population is more than 5,000. Maybe poor people live and their economic condition is economically they are very poor. You can write. Then what is the result? Actually, they can't pay the high fees, high charges of the private hospitals. Private hospitals. and there is no government medical facility within 5 kilometers, 10 kilometers. If they have to go there, it will take a lot of time. It means the whole day is being wasted. You can see, you can express in your own way. बस अपने तरीके से ये short you can write because you have to write within the word limit. It is not that you keep on explaining. इसको explain करते जाओ and then keep on writing 3 page, 4 page. No, write within the word limit. अपने word limit में लिखना है, but it is I'm explaining only maximum so that it is only explanation. While writing, you have to cut in short everything. You have to write everything in a short cut. Okay, and with giving the full information, full detail about the problem, complete details. Many times complaint has been lost, but there no action has been taken. Now after that, you write something about the area. इस area के बारे में क्या है? Like it is newly developed area, and it is there is no medical government medical facility. Mainly poor people live, or mainly the farmer or labor who live in this area. And they cannot pay the high charges or high fees charged by the this private hospitals. Private hospitals. Therefore, many a time complaint has been raised. Not there, many a time complaint has been lost, but no action has taken, or no medical facilities has been provided in this area. So you can write after that, and then therefore you are requested. Therefore you are requested to give a shape to the authority so that the medical facility for poor people of this area can be given, can be started. Medical facility can be initiated in this area, can be set up in this area, and it will be really a great help of this area. Thanking you, viewers. Okay, thanking you and viewers too. Okay, after this one, after that, after writing everything, see content of letter. Any letter, if you first try to write what is the problem, what type of condition is available, and what is the result of that. And if a particular service is provided, then what will be the result? Certainly, it will be great. And lastly, thanking you. Thanking you. Viewers to me. And whatever name is given by, and suppose it is a secretary and not president of the RWA, President Welfare Association, then you write down the or designation. Right now, portfolio or designation. Portfolio or designation. जो उसका portfolio है और whatever the designation, secretary or president of President Welfare Association. Okay, like this. This is all about the complaint and facility. Complaint and facility. Whatever complaints are there, you can write a letter to the editor. Now, even you can create awareness among the people. For creating awareness among the people. Various social issues also it can be addressed to the letter to the editor to create awareness among the masses, among the people. उनके लिए अवेयरनेस क्रिएट करने के लिए भी राइट लेटर टू दैट. ओके, यू कैन राइट अ लेटर टू क्रिएट अवेयरनेस, उनके साथ अवेयरनेस क्रिएट करना. ओके, नाउ one letter we are going to write, that is harmful effect of smoking. Regarding it is to create awareness. For that, again in the same way, send us address. You can write 670 Ashok Nagar, Ashok Bihar, any address, whatever it is given in the question. Whatever it is given in the question, you have to write the same. Okay. Here you can write again, after this one, May 20, this 20 you can write before that. 20th May 2020. Diameter. Times of India. Again, from where it is published, from where Where it is obvious. This is must. Where it is obvious. Then subject. Here it is. We are talking about the harmful effect of smoking. Harmful effect of smoking, drinking, begging problem, any social issues also can be taken. Okay. Harmful effect of smoking. Again, after sir, again you have to write in the same. Okay. So, we will discuss today only these letters. And one or two letter again I will use for writing. Mistaken letter again I will send the PDF to it writing letters. So after this one you have to write. I shall be highly obliged. I shall be highly thankful. I shall be highly provide same sentence. It will provide me some space in your esteemed newspaper to create. Here, this one you have to think now. Because this letter you are writing to create awareness. Okay, not to express our problem, to express our concern over the problem. Problem नहीं बता रहे हैं. Now we are creating awareness to create awareness among the people. Among the now, suppose you are taking up some issues. For example, smoking. Smoking now. If you are talking about smoking, first try what is actually what is the harmful effect. Effect क्या है? Why the people are doing it? Why? Reasons. Okay, you have to tell the reason why people go for smoking. Go smoking. There can be many reasons. Lack of awareness, lack of knowledge. Then what is the result? After that, you try to write the result. You write in short. You write in short what is the result. And then what is your suggestion? Because you are creating awareness among the people. Okay, this letter you are writing to create awareness among the people. So try to give suggestions also, whatever you want. Okay, whatever you want. It means suppose someone is a habitual smoker. Habitual smoker. It is not easy to get rid of smoking. It is very difficult. It means that all the family members they also, all the people they also, all the well wishers they have also. Okay, then you can write all this harmful effect of smoking and how it is going to affect the society. Society will have one for all, and after that, give some suggestions. And again, after that, you write down this. You write down this one after that one. Thanking you. Yours truly. And that's why that. Now you write down. Because it is a general awareness. You want to create awareness. You are having knowledge. Certainly, you might have heard something regarding this topic. You want to write something for the betterment. लोगों के लिए लिखना चाहते. Okay. So these are the letters to the I wish you to write them. Yes, sir. Pramod sir. Now, students, listen. If you want to ask anything, you select your where go into the participant. Participant में जाओ. Click there. There you will find rename or raise hand. There will be one raise hand. Raise hand. This column will be there. I think you are well aware of that. And you have to go there if you want to ask anything. Then only we will unmute you. You will be allowed to speak. And before that, you have to put on your camera. Yes, students, once again listen. If you want to ask anything, it will not be commonly discussed. Okay, everyone will not be unmuted. Everyone will not be allowed to talk always. Okay, not always combined. Everyone will not be allowed to talk altogether. If you want to ask anything, time is given. You go to your participants, own participant. Your name will be on the top. Click there. There you will find raise hand or rename. There you will find rename. You have to select this one, raise hand, then put on your camera, switch on camera, and then you will be allowed to ask anything. Oh, yes, with that, yes, come on, Pramod sir. Look what is going on.
And
Pramod